So, here's our part 2 laag. We're heading to Korean Surplus. Ayan, nandito na tayo. And, amaze ko kay sobrang ganda. Ang daghan jud kag mapilian. Ang dami mong mapipilian. But mostly, they have like mga kaldero, mga pans. Dagan kayo siya jud. And then, napani siya anang basement. Nga, dito makapili kang mga shoes, clothing na daghan jud ako nakapalit ko og si Mr. nakapalit siya og kaning back support tag 100 lang, and then ako ni palit jud ko aning carpet kay ligon ka ayo ni nga carpet. Akong one of our cousin nakapalit siya mo nang ning ko palit ko para for baby princess. Ayan, look at the carpet, nice jud siya. And 1.8 siya gihangyo na kog 1.3, o di ba naka less ko. So after that, we're heading to the city, pero we stop by here sa Cafe Alonzo. Sobrang ganda, na amaze ako sa view. And kuan siya naong paingon ni siya sa city. Nalimot ko unsa to, nasipit ba to nga kaninga lugar. But look at the view. Very stunning. And we stop by here kay kanang busog na mi, pero we love to order. I mean, we like to have coffee while traveling. So nag-order med coffee. I ordered a coffee latte, and the girls ordered the same thing. And girls are, I think, macchiato. And look at the view. And I ordered their special halo-halo. The special halo-halo. Lahi ilang special halo-halo kay na cheese. Yummy. Super yummy. And ayan, kung makikita na nyo, daghan po silang menu. We didn't eat because we already full sa tilapyahan. So ayan, if you want, try to visit this place. Look at the menu. Very nice. Murag, it seems like their food tastes good. So next time, pag mubalik mi diri, I'm gonna try their food. So look at the view. Ilahang back, very, very relaxing. You can take pictures. Di ba? Ang ganda, ang ganda. Kananaong samot ka ng mahapon, sada ni siya, anang mabuntag mo sunrise, or mahapon mo sundown. It's very beautiful, Jude. Anang very relaxing. So, yun lang. We're heading to the city na. Kay, we have work tomorrow. So, yan. Thanks again for watching. See you on my next vlog.